Unlike a typical rigid shop repair stand, the PRS-33 is continuously exposed to vibration during the lifting and lowering process using the electric motor. In this video, we will address an issue where the PRS-33 motor is running, but will not raise or lower the clamp mechanism. The issue here is that one or both of the shaft coupling set screws have loosened to the point where the coupler from the motor spins without turning the drive gear shaft. Here are the instructions to resolve this issue. First, we're going to be looking for the carriage assembly set screw. Remove the carriage cover and clamp assembly. Using the appropriate tool, remove the bolts holding the motor cover to the upper tray. Set aside the loose tray for now. Leaving all the wires connected, gently move the motor cover away from the chain and gear assembly. Locate the set screw on the shaft coupling closest to the chain and gear assembly. You may need to run the motor to get the set screw in a position so that you can reach it with the tool. Remove the set screw. Manually move the horizontal tube until the set screw marks on the shaft are perfectly centered in the hole of the coupler. Apply thread locker to the set screw. Install and tighten to 8 Newton meters. The process is similar for the motor side set screw. Remove the set screw closest to the motor. Using the power button, rotate the shaft until the set screw marks on the shaft are perfectly centered in the hole of the coupler. Apply thread locker to the removed set screw. Reinstall and tighten to 8 Newton meters. Reinstall the bolts holding the motor cover to the upper tray. Reinstall the carriage cover and clamp assembly. The stand is now ready to use.